This is Isha and you're watching the Craft Therapy. So as I mentioned in my previous video, this video is very special to me. I'm so excited for this because this is going to be, wait for it, my first door mural. Yes, I'm going to be painting a door mural for the very first time. I'm so excited for it. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is one of the rooms in our house and is mostly used as office space. Both my husband and I take our meetings from this room. So I decided to paint a mural on this, and guess what mural did I choose to make on this door? A phone booth! So it seemed apt. The door was already red in color. I just needed to add in details. So if you have seen my last video, you would know that this door was painted red 5 years back, and barring few drawings by my son, the paint is in good condition. And will you believe me if I tell you I do have the leftover paint from 5 years ago, and that it is in perfectly good condition to use. Yes, I do have this paint, and all I did was add in just a little water and mix it well, and the paint is ready to use. I love these 200 ml small packs. Their cost varies between 160 to 200 rupees per pack depending on the pigment. So they are cheap, easily accessible and great for most of the surfaces. For the black paint, I'm again using the leftover paint from the wall mural. After cleaning the door with damp cloth, I started creating the window pane using masking tape. So the color comes out a bit different on the white wall as compared to the beige door. So for the top part, I mixed in a little of rust color to the red. This rust color was again left over from the floral mural I painted some time back, and it works beautifully. Due to the etchings on the door, the paint has leaked a bit under the masking tape. But fear not, wet wipes to the rescue. As a DIYer, the one product I would definitely recommend anyone to have when working on a project is wet wipes. They are a magical cleaning agent. You try them on anything and they deliver almost every single time. It's pretty amazing.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you.
For the white color, I'm taking Asian Paints base coat. I'm going to alternate between black, white and red paints to give some time to dry between coats. I realized the white strip was too long, so wet wipes came to rescue again. Just few swipes and it's all gone.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. Been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
Now I'm just using the original red paint to cover the marks on the door.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
I decided to write telephone with pencil first because the space was wider. Since telephone has 9 letters, I figured I'd start with start, end and middle letters first. That'll give me a sense of spacing the letters in between. If you are also someone like me who doesn't like measuring things unless absolutely necessary, you can also give this a try.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Now adding in some details, and lo and behold, our private public phone box is ready. This was something I tried first time and I just loved the outcome. I don't know a better word to express my happiness with this makeover. Please let me know how you like this door mural, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates. I will see you next week with another video. Keep watching and take care.